Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be discussing a little Inj update. We're going to be looking at what I'm seeing in the charts as discussed on previous content. I can see that we have this imbalance as discussed in the previous video on the 1 day, which is where I want to basically go all in, which is at 1770. Around the 1760, sorry. Which is where I want to go all in if we get that spring. But at the moment, I'm seeing a breakout in the 15-minute chart, which is out of this trend line here, which I'm taking this trade. I'm entering in at $20.62, which is the void that's been left behind, where you can see that we had this break structure on the smaller time frame. We're making lower lows and lower highs, and then we broke the trend line, we broke the structure, and now we're retesting the void that was left behind, and then we'll shoot up to our target, which is target's actually here, but so that void hasn't been mitigated yet, so that would be our target, which is a little 3.8% trade, which I'll be getting in. But once we get that there, we want to see if we break above this level here. So that level there is the break structure we're after to basically say that we're going to the upside. So we could get a pump up to around the $23.30 mark and then come down. So there could be a little trade here just to get us up to here, and depending on the bullishness in the market, there is no reason why these imbalances can't get filled in the bear market. They don't have to be filled right away. They can be filled later on. So that's why it's good just to put in a bit of your money here, just in case that we do see this solid breakout and then the continuation of the bull market momentum to just keep it going, and then we'll be looking at our lower time frames, because we can see here that we've mitigated this void here, which has been touched. We've mitigated this void here, which has been touched by this one. And this is the only void that has been mitigated up here, which is at the $32 mark. So we could see this moving straight up to $32 pretty quick with some good news and some bullish momentum, which I believe isn't too far away. So I feel like if you're waiting for that $17.60, you could miss out. So it's good to deploy a bit of money here at $20.62, which is what I'm doing, and I just wanted to be transparent. Inj is my biggest holding, which I'm holding for this bull run, but I'm also trading it and getting in and getting out, because we've discussed in the channel that we don't want to be holding bags into the bear market. We want to be making money on the way up. Otherwise, why are we doing this? We're not doing this to hold on to coins into the bear market and see your account go up hundreds of thousands of dollars and see it come back down to zero. We're here to cash them hundreds of thousands of dollars out and bring it back into our bank accounts and then reuse the money. That's what this channel is all about, is investing your money and being smart with your money, and Injective has got the narrative to be able to hold it and trade it. It is a very good coin to trade. It's very predictable. It has very similar movements. You can see on one of my indicators here, you can see the Nadara, it goes outside of these dotted lines and it goes outside of that dotted line. You could see it coming outside of this dotted line here as well, which lines up with my target that I'm saying. So we got the touch there, we got the touch there, we got the touch there. We've also got a double bottom here, which we know is liquidity. So I do think it's coming down to here, but it makes sense to be making money in these trades. So I'm going to be getting in at $20.62, and I'll be riding it up to $21.41, which I'll be looking at a lower time frame, seeing if we do get that break structure, and then exiting. The other strategy, if you don't want to do that, is you can just move your stop loss up. So say we get up to 21.41 and you want to move your stop loss to 21.26 and you don't get stopped out and this thing just keeps going, then you just keep creeping it up. There's a thing on Binance called trailing stop loss, which you can use as well, where you just don't manage it and it does it all for you. But it's the risk management is the most important thing this cycle for everyone. Influencers aren't going to tell you when to cash out. They're going to pump coins when they want to pump coins, and they're going to sell their bags on you. So it's up to you to take control and not to be greedy and to take them profits. So yep, $20.62. I'll be picking up some Inj. That's my update for this video. We could very well sweep this liquidity soon as well, which is another thing, the double top here. We can also see in the smaller time frame we've got a little double top there, which wants to get swept as well. So we could see this thing pump up pretty quick. It is a chance for sure. So we've also got another indicator here, which is when this Bollinger Band crosses our Nadara. That also signifies a bullish move. We can see that here it crossed here, and we've got that bullish move. We can see we got that cross here, we got that bullish move. We can see we got that cross here, we've got that little bullish move there, and it's the same thing as when we get the cross with the red Bollinger Band. You can see it goes there, it goes down. We can see it crosses there, goes down. You can see it crosses there, we go down. Goes down. So we're seeing all these little indicators line up at the moment. We can see that we're about to get across. We can see we broke the trend line. We can see we broke structure. That's the reason why I want to get on this retest and deploy some money. If you like the content, like and subscribe. A lot of people watch the videos, but they don't actually like and they don't subscribe, and it really helps the channel grow. So I'd really appreciate that, and then I can get more content out there. And yeah, so thanks. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we're getting close to that bull run, so everyone should be excited. But at the same time, we want to keep a level head. We're going to make a lot of money. We're going to do it together, but we need to just be patient. If you're going, oh, it hasn't gone yet, then you're just going to get down. You're going to second guess yourself. Then you're going to end up selling to these whales and these influencers. But if you have a level head and you have conviction in these coins like Injective, which is my biggest holding because I am extremely bullish on this project, it is absolutely outstanding what they're doing, then that's all you need, and that's all you need for this bull run is just to hold that conviction, and we're going to make it together. So yep, if you like the content, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. All right, thanks. See ya.